Section 6. Test reports and making test results visible. In this section, you will learn to make your test results speak for themselves by using a particularly popular and effective reporting tool that dramatically simplifies reporting and improves test results visibility. Create test reports with Allure framework. In this video, we will have a look at what will make your management weak at the knees. No, it is not working for free. It is test reporting, also known as increasing visibility of test automation. Test reporting for Java-based solutions is kind of a mixed bag. There are several options, but vast majority is just a different shade of horrible. The problem is that originally unit test execution results were predominantly meant to be a go or no-go signal for the build. This doesn't mean there were no reporting tools, but regardless of their existence, their importance was downplayed. That's why most reporting tools at the time were minimalistic in design, barely had any styling to increase readability. They were meant for internal use and it was showing. Nowadays, unit test frameworks like JUnit and TestNG are being used for a variety of different purposes, which call for more descriptive test execution reporting. The need for a better reporting tool was growing. Luckily, a test department of tools at the time where many companies answered the call and created it. In essence, Allure is a reporting engine that is platform agnostic. This engine was fitted into a multitude of adapters in the form of API libraries to enable its convenient use in most popular programming languages. If this doesn't float your boat and you want to use a magic unicorn language with a total community of 14 people, do not worry. With a ton of effort, you can utilize Allure reporting engine through command line and have a test report just like people with communities of more than 14 people have. Allure is lightweight, easy to use, and is very interactive. The essence of Allure's presentation is nesting. You can use it as levels of technical detail or importance. At the top, you will have the high-level business purpose of the steps. Inside that, you will have a breakdown by actions. Inside, you will have technical details for said actions. And inside technical details, you can have debug information. This way, management can see what it needs to see, and engineers see what they need to see, but with a few more clicks. Allure allows a variety of attachments, from text to images and even videos.